오늘 90도야 90도.
Like 1,000 years ago, the local residents from the near the Grand Canal they all based in this area. So on your left side, actually is building. It's one of the storage for rice. 1,000 years ago. So mostly you're gonna.
얼굴이 잘 안 나와 이쪽으로.
All the soldiers, 3 dynasties finally finished all the Grand Canal.
handcraft.
발전 빨리 하더라. 돈이 들어가야 돼.
많이 있어?
더 띵마.
Flower tea.
야.
，International Conference Center. The 5th floor on the top, that's a hotel.
오.
InterContinental.
Underground. That's the shopping center.
Outlet.
Yeah, outlets all here. Outlet.
사람들은 내년 help.
왜냐면 내가 어떻게 한 게 내가 이렇게 마시고 싶었던 게 아니라 그 선원이 딱 끊어놨는데 안 마실 수 없잖아.
I think it's after around 6. 근데 그 사람이 눈을 맞추기만 하면 가져온 믹스.
That's a little bit, not
你这里给我开好了，等会我上车，我用这里上。
你们下在哪里下？
下在最前面，对对，你给我开到前面。
人家上车在这里是吧？
对，可以吗？因为这样我怕到时候万一。
应该经过那个啥嘞？经过那个。
In China, we have a Pagoda style, 8 elements, like fire, so all this style is like Pagoda style. And then here is the central parts for underground, the entrance. So when we found it, after the emperor passed away, this area go under, it's our treasure. And then invaders found it, they stolen half, another half will stay in the museum. This is because of history.
我刚那个。你吃了没？没酒了，是年底的，把酒了吃了。
我们都开那个自己开汽车，对对，人有那趟道可好，人家道路不让开。我没事，你两头转转这个啊，没事，好。
We're gonna get a private boat, compliment of Karen's father. Private boat. Oh.
So the West Lake is very dirty because a lot of mud. People use the mud to plant new lotus roots.
Four small lakes inside this.
Yeah, I like it too.
맞아, 우리 그 옆집 사람도 코이 피시 판드를 해놨는데.
If it's windy a lot, and also with the high and with the windy a lot, so the boat will all stop. That's not really.
给他们看过印象西湖的那个
表演啊。
So where is the house of the famous poet?
Famous what? The shooting for the Western Lady actually from this area because the background is with the pagoda, the Baoshu pagoda.
꼭대기에 있는 거야. 꼭대기에 있는 거야.
It's nuts. And then this is pumpkin. Yeah, pumpkin seeds. Yeah.
근데 너무 빨리 가는데?
What is it outside?
I think Lobby's mom and everybody's coming at 10 o'clock. I mean 6 o'clock.
3 days.
Almost old as USA.
Or they were serving
아직 한번 하고 자기는
one, 3 times.
once
Once.
重的敲还是轻的敲？
中还是
不用很用力，因为它也是
Soft.
一敲祝各位平安健康。
Second,
Okay,
may you
second.
wish you healthy
二敲祝大家心想事
그
成。
부분 좀 시끄러워야지.
dreams come true.
三敲祝大家友谊长存啊！帮你打开了
Friendship
啊。
lasts forever.
Friendship lasts forever.
뭐라고요? What?
Friendship lasts forever.
Friendship
Friendship lasts forever. Oh.